Coming.
Last one and last. This is the last. I'm so very good. Yeah. So what's happening now? Last bit. This is the last, you think?
The last of our lawn.
Because some of that is gonna go cement more picking.
If you want to order, we can pay it per square meter.
Really? Joke. Yes, I'm serious, nah?
Yeah.
Alright, so here we go. If you like this, my idea, just but if you don't like, just thumb down. No comments, huh?
But if you thumb down, tell us why, so we can. I like this because you just walk around every day bare feet. It's always nice. Wee, look at that. This is the odd person that comes here, and they're not really. But majority of people I like. A lot of people like it. Some people think we like this. They think we cut up the grass and all do all this. An artistic thing. Even an architect, he's like, and you wanted to write words on the grass, or make, if you are really artistic, you could make a palm tree out of pieces if you really wanted to. And yeah, sometimes people make paintings out of toast of different colors. Driveways. And last bit, the reason probably have to trim some of that grass when I put the driveway out the back, and a lot less dust and dirt around the front of the house. Before, and when it rained, it always flooded to the front of the house. Now it soaks into the ground, no flooding. When it was sand, it was always flooding to the house, to the front door. But love it. I mean, look at this coconut, man. It's doing so well. How long? That's the original leaf. That's how small. Now like that, because this keeps the ground underneath and the roots warm at night. Ever since last here, look at that. These are tropical plants. Love Lynn's grass. You can use this if you want. It's okay. Walking alone, and kids love it. Kids love running around on that. Looks like that. But the others are jackfruit. Now you may or may not. We've had some comments saying, "Ooh, you destroy." But no, we're not. We're recycling what would normally have gone into it. We're helping the environment by using leftovers that would normally. Yeah. Bad English. Appreciate you watching. Be happy, be healthy. She's watering the lawn, people. I'm joking. Last time ever. Once or twice a year you can rake or get that blower out for maintenance.